Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome. Good morning to you. It is currently, what time is it right now? It's 5:41 in the morning, and the markets open up here Pacific Standard Time at 6:30 in the morning. So in New York, that's 9:30 a.m. So here in a little bit, in less than an hour, the markets are going to open up, stock markets, and I found something that might be pretty good for a trade. So let's take a quick look here. Let's head on over to the trading view charts. So I'm looking at cars.com, and real briefly, I'm going to go over the strategy here again with you. So I'm using the Akinashi candle right here. Okay. And it looks like it's going to be continuing in a bearish market going down. So you can see that this candle has a flat top. There's no wick at the top, so the top is flat, indicating that sellers are strong, and it is underneath this green line, the EMA. So it's underneath the EMA, and it's lining up with the Stoch. Okay, let me move this up a little bit. Okay, yeah, so it's lining up with the Stoch down here, indicating that there's a good possibility that the market could go, the price could go even lower with this cars.com stock. So this is enabling me to make an educated guess that this will continue to go downward, the price. Now, we don't know this for sure. We don't. We can't predict. Like I said in the last video, we can't predict exactly what the market's going to do. This market could go upwards. Who knows? But with these things lining up, and with this this market looking like, well, the stock looking like it's going to be in a downward trend, then I can make an educated guess that this will continue to go downward, at least for a little bit longer, at least for a little bit. And that's all I'm looking for. I'm looking for between 5 to 8%. 10%, that's fantastic, but between 5 to 8%, that's what I'm looking for, because I like to keep things simple, and I don't want to make things complicated. So this is what I'm looking at right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to place this trade. Let's go over to my Robinhood account, and I have 171 right now. Again, I started this at $70, and we are going to look at cars. We're going to purchase a contract or a few contracts. Let's search for it. Let's see, cars. Yeah, so we'll go there. Okay, let me double check on my Zoom, make sure. Let's see. Make sure that we can see everything. All right, so cars.com is loading up the chart here, my Robinhood. All right, so here we are. So this is where cars.com is sitting. I'm looking forward to this price to go down, of course, because I'm planning on buying a put option. So let's get right into it. So we're going to go down here to trade cars option. Okay. And I'm going to buy a put option. Okay, looking forward to the stock going down in price. And I do like this expiring date. So we're going to choose January 20th for our expiry date. Let's go down a little bit. Okay. And we're going to click on this. So it looks like it's 35 cents right there. So you should be able to place well more than just one contract. So let's take a look here. So let's go for 3 contracts. Okay, so 3 contracts will cost 105. Let's shoot for 4. Let's go for 4 contracts. That puts me at 140. And yeah, we'll take a look at this, and we're going to just see what happens. So we're going to review this order. We're going to place this order, 4 contracts at the price of 140. This means that $140 is the most that I can lose on this trade. That's the most that I can lose. So we're going to submit this just to double check, make sure I'm buying a put option for this amount. and doing 4 contracts, and we will submit this trade. Okay. All right, so we are done. All right, so I just heard my Gmail chime, so the option is placed, and this option should execute at 6:30 when the markets open up here on West Coast time, Pacific Standard Time. And we have a little ways to go. It's currently 5:47, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully, we'll get some profit out of this, and we'll just have to see. I'm just trusting my analysis, going off of what I see on this chart. And again, I don't make any trades unless I see things line up. I do my best to be disciplined and to not force trades, because that's where, we tend to get in trouble. And I've learned that the hard way, not only through options, but definitely through Forex. So, but anyways, Forex is just another topic in another playlist. But anyways, this is Jerome with the Bailey Financial Group. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you have any questions or anything, or if you have any comments, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, be blessed, take the money, and run.